When it comes to workers' compensation, a key component is documentation from your doctor. Here to explain this much further is Catherine Stone from Injury Florida Law. Welcome back. How you been?
Thank you. Great.
So I know documents, but
yes.
This is a key one.
How
right?
much have we talked about documents? And you know, a lot of times, as we've talked about in the past, I will create the topic for these segments based upon phone calls or interactions with my clients, without giving anything away, but just the general things that I see day in, day out in dealing with this and have for years is documentation. I will get phone calls or emails from clients saying, I saw the doctor today and they wanted me to try a new medicine. Or I saw the doctor today and they ordered physical therapy. Or I saw the doctor today and they want me to see a different doctor. Great. Where's the paperwork? Because it's hard for me to be able to do what I can do without the documentation. So for instance, I would have to then submit that to either defense attorney or the adjuster and do what's called my good faith attempt in resolving that without filing what's called a petition for benefits. I know it's very boring legal stuff. But I explain this to clients so that they understand the process, that I'm not just sitting there not doing anything for them. I have to have that piece of paper, or I have to have something in writing saying what it is specifically. The doctors, through the workers' comp system, should be filling out a 2-page form at the bare minimum and giving that to the client at the end of every office visit. And it's called the DWC 25 form. And all you have to just remember is it's a 2-page form. It doesn't even have to be that form. It could be something on the doctor's letterhead. It could be a script pad if they're referring you for an MRI. Whatever it is, it's got to have the doctor's name on it. It's got to come from the doctor's office, or it has to be this form. Because then I can take that, I can do my good faith attempt. I have to wait a certain number of days, and if they still have not received whatever benefit it is that has been requested, at which point then we can file a petition for benefits, which then gives them 30 days to file a response. But I can't do any of that without the paperwork. So it's sometimes, you know, frustrating for the client because they will say, well, the doctor didn't give me anything. They said they would send it to the insurance company. Okay, so then I will turn around, reach out and say, do you have this paperwork? And 9 times out of 10, they're like, no, I haven't received anything yet. So then it's, okay, let's go back to the doctor's office. Can you send me the form? So there's a lot of, you know, goings on that happens with us trying to get the proper paperwork. And I just tell clients, look, tell the doctor's office you can't leave without something in writing. If they're making a referral or a request for additional types of treatment, just say, you know, I cannot leave here without something in writing. And, you know, I mean, obviously don't be rude or anything like that, but, you know, sometimes clients maybe don't wait around for the paperwork. I've had that happen a couple of weeks ago where clients, you know, apparently needed to go somewhere and do something and was like, oh, I don't need that. That's fine. My attorney will get it. Well, it ended up taking us 2 weeks to get that piece of paper.
It's better just to get it right then and there.
It's better to just get it right then and there because I'm restricted with how quickly I can go about assisting you with getting that benefit.
It's really in your client's best interest.
It truly is in everybody's best interest. Just try to walk out with the form.
What good reminders.
And to the doctors that are listening or their staff, please give them the paperwork and then I won't have to hound you.
I like that. A good plea from the workers' comp lawyer. Well, you know what? Workers' compensation, not the only thing that Catherine can help you with. If you do have any workers' comp questions or anything else, she's more than willing to help. There's her address, phone number, website, all of that good stuff. Injury Florida Law Firm. Catherine, thank you for coming in.